WellSpan Medical Weight Management Program, we've created a program that is a comprehensive approach with a multidisciplinary team that takes into consideration your medical problems, your social history, your family dynamics, your work life, and really come up with a plan that tailors to your specific needs and your lifestyle, so that it's not a one-size-fits-all model, but really is individualized. We partner with your primary care provider as well as other specialists to provide that comprehensive approach to medical weight management. So during the initial visit, we will go through a thorough medical, weight, and diet history as well as a physical exam. Then at the end of the visit, we will come up with a customized nutrition, exercise, behavioral prescription goal plan in which the patient is the active decision-making participant. After the initial visit, patients will come back with follow-up visits, and this could be in an individual session with any of our team members or in a group session or shared medical appointment.
Nutrition is very important, and it is key in helping someone to lose weight. We have to take a look at the types of food that they're eating, the amount of food that they're eating, and when they're eating. And all of those components together can help for weight loss.
In the patients that I counsel, if they have been previously kind of inactive before they came into our program, or they have been active sporadically, we know that if we can get them regularly exercising and trying to control their calories, you're going to see some weight loss happen. There's going to be a difference in that energy balance, and it's going to help them lose weight a little quicker, a little better, a little healthier.
The key or the cornerstone in weight loss is to reduce caloric intake, and that perhaps doesn't have to be the complete focus, but maybe making simple changes in life by incorporating structured meals or structured eating patterns and not skipping meals, and incorporating healthier choices like more fruits and vegetables, and making sure that you're getting all your daily dietary requirements.
A lot of times people need a lot of education and a lot of motivation and assistance in order to really feel that they're moving along. And creation of those habits, whether it be trying to eat at regular times or adjusting their portions or choosing better choices when they're eating out, when they focus on in the short term and they start seeing results, that's going to help them in the long term as well.
There are levels of exercise that we talk to people about: the everyday level, the aerobic level, the strength level, and then there's a flexibility component in there of trying to, do the stretching type exercises that increase your range of motion, or for people, help them keep their range of motion so that they can even do activities of daily living.
So the goal is to really focus on the journey towards weight loss, and not necessarily that number in terms of weight loss, but to really help the patients make better choices in terms of lifestyle, exercise, and dietary choices.